10,000 tick trap. Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Hope you had an amazing weekend. And for those who got to celebrate MLK, hope you guys had an amazing holiday. Yesterday was just... If I showed you on the chart, you don't even know where yesterday is. But yesterday is just teeny box here of price action. That's how much volume there was yesterday, 2000 tick chart. Currently waiting for this setup here. I'm gonna trade with micro so I can grab some runners here. Let's see if we get it though. I don't know if we'll trigger. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Kyle L. Lost 129 yesterday. Already made it back today. Half holidays are 50-50 for me. Happy camper. Happy Tuesday, all. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Ooh, we're about to get this trap trigger here. I like it. Let's do it. I'm trading 10 contracts, but they're micros. The reason being so I can have some runners here. Oh, I'm trying to time this perfectly here. Sometimes it moves suddenly and messes me up. Okay. Okay. Trying to get in. Come on. Let me in. Let me in. All right, I'm in. It looks like a lot, but it's just one mini. 1-to-1, and the reason why is because I want to have a runner here. See if we can get it. The commissions are crazy though. Commissions are actually crazy. It's sad. It's gonna be a sad day once the commissions for the micros is so high that one tick on the micro will no longer make you money. Right now it makes you like 3 cents or something like that. At least it's still positive or almost break even, but it's gonna change probably soon where you actually can't even make money on one tick on the micro. Hello, man. Good morning. Hans, good morning. No, man. Speaking to Kelly Ann Spirit right now. I don't even know if she's even here. Wayne Bicknell, good morning. Welcome, guys. My pandas. Why do I like this trade so much? It's a trap trade coming after a breaker trend to new high, double top right here, and got a significant move down, and I feel like we have one more leg down here. And we're underneath the 20 EMA. All good things for me. Only problem is I might have to hold it into the open, which is a bummer. If this is a failed trap, this can come all the way back up. This could be a strong reversal back up. But I like this trap trade. I think it makes sense here. And the risk is just right. Disappointing. Well, let's see. Let's let the candle finish. D-Lou, another one of my pandas. Hello, man. Do you have Discord link? It's in the description. Ooh, I don't know if this is gonna work out. It's looking sus now. It's looking quite sus. I may attempt it again with a, if it happens with a second entry short, but we'll see. Maybe it's a double bottom here as well, creating trading range instead of downtrend. That could also happen. You hate to be red when the candle closes. I like the trap here still. I think it makes sense. Basically have a double top near a resistance area. It's not looking good. But we shall see, pandas. Day chart, please. Yeah, we'll jump to it. Let's let this trade finish. It's gonna get me. It got me. You see how my target got hit, or my stop got hit before it even happened? It's because it was a micro, so the micro actually already went up. I still like the trap. It's not that bad of a trade. Got such a strong push down. I mean, you could maybe consider this already the second leg down. But maybe another thing was 10,000 tick chart, showing us more like a trading range, overlapping 1, 2, 3, overlapping bars. But strong bear bar, not much follow through, and reversal back up. Darn. It's all good, pandas. Maybe I'll attempt it again here if we get a second entry short. The fact that this already fails makes me hesitate. I'll just wait till market open. Let's jump on a daily chart. Ooh, interesting. Okay. Daily chart setting itself up for a nice. Setting itself up for a second entry long, pandas. And a higher or low second entry long, in fact. Ooh, interesting. It also looks like a trading range, though, too. If it's a nice signal bar off of 20 MA, then maybe. I think for certain, though, the 20 MA is acting as some sort of support right now. Nice move up here. Higher low. What went wrong with that trap? Guess at the end maybe just a double bottom, right? Double top, then double bottom. What's this trapped? Strong bull bar. I think at the end, the 10,000 tick was probably telling here with the overlapping bars and made it a trading range on the higher time frame. Daily chart, I think it might want to touch the 28 MA one more time, but who knows? If it reverses and breaks the high of the previous day's high, then you have a nice move up. Really nice move up. Nice move up here. Well, it makes sense to go for the trap to the upside now. A, B, C, A. Trap reversal. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I'm trading 2,000 tick chart currently. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Hey, let's get our bamboo this week, Pandas. I know I'm starting with the L right here, but Pandas, we're going to get it. Just stay focused. Stick to the plan. It says daily. Yeah, it's because I'm in the micros. So, unfortunately, the micros, they have you have to have the daily chart up. You essentially just have the daily chart up. Man, I wish I had the entry here, but didn't give me my trap. Just does a complete reversal off of this failed trap, which is just, it's not really an entry for me. All right, market just opened. 5-minute chart popping down. So if you see daily, then you know that I'm trading micros. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Second, just sure we still could get our trap here, but no. Oh, I got filled too quick. Sure. I got filled too quick. I couldn't move it. But I made 2.5 points. I'll take it, Pandas. I'll take the 2.5. I'll do it. It's set to 2.5. I should set it to 5, huh? So I can adjust it. But I usually look for a 1-to-1 on these trades. And, yeah. I usually look for a 1-to-1. It might be good that I just got 2.5 points. because it might be reversing here. All right, my runners get stopped out. Yeah, maybe it's a good thing I got my 2.5 instead of holding to 1-to-1. I could still look for the 1-to-1 here if I wanted to. All right, re-enter again here. I'm looking for the 1-to-1 trade. I'm not so inclined anymore. Maybe with another reversal up, I'll look for a 1-to-1 with a good signal bar, right, from the original trade. But that doesn't look so good. I'm kind of glad I got the 2.5 instead. Just got out, made some bamboo. It's not typical what I'd like to do, but it happened, so I'll take it. You know, you got a little luck on your side today, Panda. If I went for a 1-to-1, I would have lost that trade. Okay, now we got this wedge top, triple top here. This is concerning if you're a bull. 3 pushes up here. I think this is concerning if you're a bull. 3 pushes up, looking for reversal down. It's a lower high setup here. Of course, I'll look for a fail second entry long in this area, but also could just be a big trading range right now. Okay, we might get our failed second entry long here, which is the only setup I'll really trade in this area. The 5-minute candle is looking pretty bearish. Where am I going? What's today's targets? Maybe the low of the week. Low of the week is way down here though, or maybe this day's low. We don't quite trigger the fail second, the second entry long here, but looks like we may try to trigger it right now. There we go. Okay, fail second entry long here. Triple top. I'm in. The 1-to-1. I'm pretty much there at 2.5 again. It's not looking the best, but it's okay. Right, we got triple top now with a fail second entry long. Double trap. This is getting tricky now. It's getting tricky. I think I need to sit on my paws a little bit. This is getting tricky, right? It's a double trap here. It's not. It's telling me that this market is very tricky, right? We got another trap that fails here. It's just a very tricky market at the moment, in my opinion. That's very tricky to me. That's very tricky to me, right? You got the triple top, looking for a nice push down back to the bottom here. We failed to reach the bottom here, even with the triple top. I don't know. That's tricky. That's really tricky to me. This market is telling me it's going to be tricky, because that should have worked in my opinion. That really should have worked. But we're trading only one. We're basically trading 10 micro contracts, which is just one Emini, which is no problem, right? If we lose, it's okay. Move on. Very tricky. Everything's very tricky, right? These traps are not doing what they're supposed to be doing. When traps start to fail, you gotta really question it. Got a higher low here. Okay. Potential move up here. Confusing, pandas. Peter Cho's done for today. Congratulations. The higher low ends up with a nice strong bull bar. At this point, if we reverse here, it's gonna be a trading range. It's like just short. Coming up for trend line. Second just short. If we bounce off here, I gotta go long because we're off our trend line and also 20 MA. See, that's very tricky to me. Right, this trap fails, and then you get an ugly looking signal bar above the 20 MA. If that works, that's just really confusing to me. It's like a really ugly looking setup. We'll try this again here. We'll try one more time. Second entry long now. Maybe he's looking for a new low. I don't know. I don't know, pandas. This is confusing now. I don't like how it retraces this bar. I feel like I go long because of the fact that no, this is just confusing. Right, these traps. Coming back to the bottom of the trading range. Still a target for it. Okay, decent bear bar. Should I go short here? Looking for a trade on 10,000 tick chart. Again, trading micros. Oh, are we in? Oh, it's outside bar reversal.
10,000 tick trap.
It could be an issue. Let's see. Okay, second just short on 10,000 tick chart. It doesn't tick chart, just looks choppy though. This could be an issue. I don't know. Second just short on a 10,000 tick. Oh, okay, I had the refresh indicator. It's like a decent push down here. Looking for a 1-to-1. And then see if we get a runner here. I'm using half size, so this is just 5 micro contracts, pandas. Just 5. It's half an Emini. Calm down, pandas. It's okay. Vegas Features. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome. If we do a full 1-to-1 on the entire swing, that's way up here. Nice strong bear bar, ending near its low. Let's take the 1-to-1 here because it happened in one scalp, right? Essentially, it's a scalp at this point. If it actually went back up and actually took its time here, I actually would lower this. But because the scalp is so quick here, I'll just take the scalp if we can get it. We missed it by 1 tick. We're looking for a 1-to-1 right now on this scalp. The scalp is a 1-to-1 trade here. I think we're gonna get it, but who knows? If we triggered a trap, I'm gonna lower this target. Can we get
Target filled.
The reason why I traded 5 micros is because my risk at that point was 1, 2, 3, 4, more than 4 points. So I took micros there. See if we get to the bottom of the trading range. To be honest, it could be like an all-day bear trend. Let's see. We finally get the push down after this ugly-looking second entry long or second entry short. Look at this is the signal bar for the second entry short above the 20 MA. It's so ugly, and that happens after a failed trap. It's just very tricky to me, right? I felt like it would be much cleaner if we went down to the bottom trading range with this trap setup, but rather it wanted a breaker trend new low, I guess. Have a nice little runner going on here though. It's basically a 10,000 tick trade. Trading range indicator telling us this is the bottom of trading range. Do I want to enter it with a short trade here? Maybe. A failed second entry long in this area. It's just this day's already proven to be a little tricky, but this looks bearish to me. Looks quite bearish actually. You got the triple top still working. The lower high on the higher time frame ends up working out. This is why 2000 tick chart is absolute trash. Right, 2000 tick chart, absolute trash. Just tricks you here straight up. Terrible second entry short. 10,000 tick chart is just a second entry short. That's all it is, and it was good enough. 10,000 tick chart. It's gonna be an all-day short. It's racing down to the bottom here because bulls are thinking now, well, the bottom of the trading range is right here. Why hold it if we can rebuy here? So they're getting out of their positions to find a better position a little bit lower. And I think this is the bottom of the trading range in my opinion. I actually think institutions use the 10,000 tick chart. I actually think they do. Just from the price action I've seen from it, I feel like institutions might actually use a 10,000 tick. What's hard to say? They definitely use a 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart currently looking very bearish, right? 3 bear bars ending near the low. This could be an exhaustive move down and reverse all the way back up. Could easily happen, right? At this point, you're leaning actually towards pretty bearish. Might turn to a trading range. May come up, do a double top here. But there's essentially a gap down, and there's a, you know what? Let me open the Brooks Encyclopedia for you guys. I think we're gonna get it though. We're very close to the bottom of the trading range on the 10,000 tick. I feel comfortable holding onto this until we hit the bottom here. In fact, I feel like it's gonna go down a lot more. It's a shame that if we keep going down and I come out prematurely here, that would just be a shame. Or my runners get stopped out. Who knows?
$10,000 tick trap.
10,000 tick trap. All right, ma'am. All right. Brooks Trading Course, what do you got for me? Trap about a trigger. Do I really want to re-enter here? I kind of do actually. But knowing that the traps failed on the lower time frames makes me hesitate. If it's tricky on the lower time frames, it could be trickier on the higher time frames.
$10,000 tick trap.
Ooh, this is good as I feel like this is such a high percentage of this to get hit here. Trap actually triggers here. It looks like it's getting very choppy though, but I think it wants to test the bottom of the trading range in my opinion. Miss it by almost a point here. I see. Okay. Big move down. Okay. Sorry. We're almost there. We're almost to our target. Bottom of the trading range on the 10,000 tick chart. Trading range, 10,000 tick. We're so close. I might as well just hold it. In my opinion. Oh, we're so close. Okay. Let's go, Bean. Still down a little bit. Still down about $42 though. Nice runner though. Kind of worked exactly how I thought it was gonna work. It's just unfortunate this trap had to fail. It's just really stupid. Really dumb that fails. So I hate the 2000 tick chart. The 2000 tick chart is just absolute trash. All right, what do we have here? I mean, Brooks' trading course says essentially, if this happens, you typically look for a double top of some sort, right? It says you look for something like this, and then a pullback to the 20 EMA essentially, and then another push down. This is what you normally look for. I think it's very rare that we have a gap down like this, and it just continues all the way down. It does happen, but the more common thing definitely is you'll get some sort of double top situation here. You can have a gap down bear trend, it happens. You can have a gap down bear trend and then reversal. So many things that could happen here, pandas. You gotta pick your poison. $10,000 tick chart. We do touch the bottom of the trading range where I got out. Situations like this usually look like they're gonna break down, right? You basically have a cup and handles type situation. It's kind of what it is. It looks like an H on the chart, right? Like a big H. This usually breaks the low here, usually. The 5-minute chart looks very bearish, right? Multiple bear bars in a row. But when it's like too strong like this, oftentimes it turns into it exhausts itself. You kind of need that pullback so more bears can enter in. But this is just relentless. Move down, breaking through the bottom of the trading range now. $2,000 tick chart, such trash, pandas. It's actually such trash. What in the world? You had this trap that fails, which boggles my mind. This trap that fails, reverses all the way. This trap that doesn't make you a 1-to-1, but still got a scalp out of it. Absolute trash here. Getting a nice bounce off the 20 EMA though. 10,000 tick chart. Just on a downtrend currently. Can I find a setup on 2000 tick chart? Is it ever possible, pandas? I do not know. I simply do not know. The 5 minutes is a straight move down. Hard to enter short here. If you're entry short, you just need to scalp out. You might get a second entry short here on the 2000 tick, and it's late in trend. Absolute trash. Ah, pandas. We got a second entry short setting up here. I feel like I gotta look for the trap trade, pandas. I don't know if I can just take the second entry short here. I really hope it's an ugly second entry short so I can look for the trap instead. Yeah, spike channel. Right, spike, then channel. Right, spike, channel, break of the channel. You usually look for a new low still. It's coming off the 20 MA at this point. Second entry short. Panda's on a downtrend now. Is it silly for me to skip? Is it silly for me to look for a trap here, pandas? Vegas futures. I'm gonna start trading the 1 tick chart. Oh, am I still in trade? Whoa, I just saw something happen. Okay, never mind. I thought I was still in trade. That was spooky. Spooky ghost. It makes sense to go short here, pandas. Second entry short on a strong downtrend off the 20 EMA. That makes a lot of sense, pandas. But such an ugly signal bar. Such ugliness. Nice entry bar here. Underneath the 20 EMA. I should just go short here. I should honestly just go short. Trap trade, I guess. I hate it though, but I'm gonna attempt it. I really hate it, but I'm gonna attempt it. It's a good signal bar for a trap. That's a dumb trade. Downtrend. I'm trying to go counter. You need at least a 1-to-1 in my opinion here. It's gonna get me. Unless we can get a nice, like, super strong move up. Maybe just have a runner here. Just run this. It's such a nice looking trap. I'll just take the 1-to-1. Be glad. Move on.
Target filled.
Target failed. Hits my target perfectly. Scalp the day keeps the boss away, right, pandas? Like, I could be done for today. Currently up 90. We hit the 1-to-1 perfectly, as you can see right there. My runner would have gone nowhere. I've been stopped out already. So I'm not too sad about not having a runner there. Not too sad about it. Actually, my runner would be okay. I missed it by 1 tick. My runner break even +1 would be right here. Actually, my runner would have been okay. Maybe I should have runners here. I don't know why that sound is there, pandas. It's a ghost. There's a ghost right now that's living inside my NinjaTrader. I turned off all of the... I don't like the NinjaTrader sound bites. They're terrible sounding. It kind of spooks me out. They're like spooky sound bites. I don't like them. And it boggles my mind that they have to use WAV files. Who in the world uses WAV files? Anyways, I turned them all off. I don't know why it's still there, pandas. I'm scared. Is there a ghost? Am I haunted right now? I'm being haunted? How do you turn that off? I don't know. It's not on the options. It's completely turned off.
$10,000 tick trap.
In my opinion, it makes a lot of sense. We have another push down here. In my opinion, it makes a lot of sense. The 5-minute chart, such a strong move down. It makes sense to have another push down at least. One more push down here. Okay, my runner would have been okay here actually. A little sad that I didn't have a runner here. Now, after hindsight. Oh, I pattern breaking to the upside. Okay, it might not even matter. At least she says target filled. That's true. I'd rather have that sound. It's getting choppy. Getting weak right now. I don't know, pandas. I don't know what to do here. I can't go long. Can't go short right now. I mean, isn't that crazy? After this strong downtrend, your only second entry short that appears on this downtrend fails and reverses. That's just how trash the 2000 tick chart is. We hit the 2-to-1. Now I'm really sad that I didn't have my runner here. It's unfortunate. It's all good though. Moving on, next trade. Green is green. I'm happy with that. I'm up $90, but I've paid total commissions so far, pandas. $46 of commissions already because of the micros. Micros are crazy with the commissions. It's robbery. It's legalized robbery. Goodness gracious, pandas. That's crazy. Solid push up here. 10,000 tick chart trading range makes sense, right? You have this trading range on 10,000 tick chart. You can see with this red and green line here. I didn't create these lines. These lines are created with the indicator, and it told us near the bottom of the trading range where it should bounce. And now we're getting a nice bounce, maybe back to the top of the trading range. Do I want to go long here? Maybe with a setup, but right now there's nothing really for us, in my opinion. Maybe 2 bull bars above the 20 MA. I may just go long. That could be possible as well. May try to fill the gap now. Or it might finally create the pattern that I was talking about, where usually the market wants to look for a double top of some sort and then find its way down on the downtrend. That could also be possible here. Like, we're still not too late to make that double top. What do they charge for micros? What do they charge for micros right now? Let me look. Man, I really wish now I had that runner. Or if I just ran my trap. Didn't think that was gonna happen though. Emini, it is micro is 61 cents. So 122. 122. $1.22 per micro. GC Bird, does Rhythmic charge the commissions? I'm not ever sure who our broker is. I'm guessing it goes through Ninja because they use the Ninja commissions. Breaking Lot Lilo says, "Get ready for 705 bar like Brooks preach." What is a 705 bar? I guess for you, the 705, you might be in West Coast time. Okay, nice push down here now. Okay, decent push down. A little bit tricky here. Are we gonna switch gears now? Or are we gonna go straight back to downtrend after an L4 setup? In my opinion, there's no. There's an overshoot, maybe leading to undershoot. Probably want to retest his highs. What a strong move down though, out of nowhere. Second entry long makes sense here in my opinion, but who knows? Black Guy says, livid laptop crashed twice in a row while I was heavily in profit when I tried to load Ninja. Lost 2 PAs, pray for me. Whoo! The tilt. This one for you, I feel that tilt. I feel it. I feel it. Man, I'll be mad. I don't know. What laptop do you have? I think it should be, we should know not to get that laptop. Man. Thoughts and prayers, Blacklight. Hoping you don't get tilted. Ruben, I'm gonna buy my first eval tomorrow. Let's go. What made you wait for so long? Why didn't you buy it earlier? Were you like testing yourself? Getting tricky now. This is definitely getting tricky in my opinion. Yes. Yes. Apex traders have lifetime. Flex has a MacBook Pro 2015 max specs. Doesn't run anything like it used to. Have already replaced the battery on it twice. This model is actually banned on planes because the batteries were exploding. Good to know. That's the next move for the for the Taliban. They just all bring MacBooks onto the plane. Second entry long here was looking ugly. If you want a nice laptop, Asus released a new one called. I'm not sure if you feel like you have to do MacBook. Second entry long triggers beneath the 20 MA. Even if it works, I can't enter this trade because 2000 tick chart is absolute trash, like always. Goodness gracious, I can't even trade this. It's a good entry bar now. You may want to go long here if you wanted to. It makes sense to go long, in my opinion, here. But it's just trash. Asus released a laptop called Duo, I think. It's like basically two monitors taped together. Like two full-size monitors, which is nice when you're trading, right? Yeah, again, 2000 tick chart trash. Second entry long triggers beneath the 20 MA with a terrible signal bar. Yet it's a nice push up. It makes sense that this goes long, in my opinion. The trade makes sense. You could maybe go long after this strong bull bar. That could have been your entry. I just never traded like that. I never traded the 2000 tick chart like that. But it's just more proof that this chart is trash. Absolute trash can of a chart. You're thinking we'll come back up here for a double top. Right, top of the trading range again. Trading range indicator acting like it should. Bottom to the top, back to the bottom, back to the top. That's what you're thinking here. We'll see, we'll see. 5-minute chart, I think, is kind of finally doing what we thought it was going to do. Essentially create a double top, right? Strong push down, double top. Essentially it's a second entry short right now. And hopefully it'll be a nice bounce off of the 20 MA and we can just have an easy trade here. Hopefully. So let me consider this enough of a double top. Yeah, enough move back up to consider this a double top. It's just a lower high double top. Depends how eager you are to enter short here. Am I that eager? Sure. Why not? Give me a decent signal bar. Give me a bounce off of resistance, then I'll be happy. Right? Resistance, either the previous day's low or the 20 EMA. Either one, I'll be happy for a second entry short in that area. Otherwise, sit on our pause. Iron Crewers also have Apex website. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, with the flatten button. You want to make sure you can flatten it through there if you have to. Black Guy says, I tried it out at Best Buy yesterday. Didn't like the processing speed from from my test. There were others I thought were better, including the VivoBook Pro, S Flip 14, ZenBook OLED. Oh, the ZenBook OLED. I think that's what I was referring to. Asus ZenBook OLED. Is that the double screen one? The TUF ones are good too. Oh, they all Asus gaming all from it. Okay, got it. Yeah, the ZenBook OLED. I think that is a dual screen one. No, at least the newest model. Don't get me wrong. But if you test it out, I don't like it. It is the way it is. All right, getting a nice push up here. Completely missing it because 2000 tick chart's absolute trash as always. No entries whatsoever. Getting a higher low setup here on the 10,000 tick. Nice move up here. Back to the top of the trading range as you see. Trading range indicator working at its best. Working at its finest. At its finest. Kind of excited about the 5-minute chart right now. We're creating a double top situation here, which could lead to a nice downtrend. Only problem is this move back up is kind of strong. It's kind of strong actually. Right, it's a strong bull bars, ending near their highs. I mean, it's looking quite strong actually. Dual double touchscreen, didn't like. Oh yeah, I see. The 5-minute strong bull bars ending near their highs. It's such a strong move up. It's really hard to just want to go short here, but I mean, if we touch the resistance and we bounce off of it with a second entry short, it's gonna be hard to resist not to take that, right? As a double top, right? Essentially the 5-minute double top. I mentioned this already way earlier, saying that I didn't want to participate too much going short because typically you have a double top of some sort. You're at a 20 EMA, and then you have this move down like this. Then we start looking for a nice strong downtrend. But it's happening, right? We're getting that double top potentially here. We don't quite touch the 20 EMA. I would prefer if we touch it. Right? Make sure there's no more unfinished business. I would really hate to see this trigger a second entry short because it's not the setup I'm looking for. I'd hate for this to trigger here. Terrible signal bar. Doesn't even touch the resistance. We missed an opportunity for setup here potentially, but I think what's more important is that we touch our levels here more than the setup itself. I'm guessing the reason why Blacklight wants us a laptop is maybe he moves around a lot. I don't know. We might get our setup hand us. We may get our double top. Of course, the setup can always fail, but it's looking quite nice actually. Man, we get so close to actually touching it. I wish we actually touched it. We're very close to it though. I think we will touch it. The only problem is now how ugly is the signal bar going to be? Right, like curious why you say the 2006 chart trash. It's true. I mean, this does come off, which I entered, right? You can see my markers here. I entered this trap trade, which caused this nice move up. But again, this is trash because we had such a strong move down. But guess what? It's a second entry short. It's the first second entry short. I mean, that should be nice for a nice downtrend. But instead it's a trap, which is nice if you're just looking for traps, which is basically what the 2000 tick chart is for me now. It's just I only look for traps really on the 2000 tick chart in good context. Otherwise, I pretty much don't like trading it. We finally touched the 20 EMA, but like I said, the move up is so strong, it's very scary to go short here. Amazingly, 10,000 tick chart pandas. What happens? We come to the bottom, back to the top, back to the bottom, back to the top. This is why I came out here. Oh, sorry. This is this is why I came out at the bottom of the trading range, because it's a nice target to have. This is a trading range indicator. Working as it should, like it should. I want the second entry short here on the 5-minute chart, pandas. I want it, but I don't know if we're gonna get it. Double top here, but look at the bull bars, pandas. This is very difficult to go short here. You got multiple bull bars ending near their high. I mean, you're thinking long here, in my opinion. In my opinion, I gotta look for a failed second entry short. That's a better setup at this point. We actually close above the 20 EMA with a bull bar. Jeez Louise. It's just an opening reversal at this point. Such a strong move up. Unstoppable, actually. Yeah, I can't go short here. This is crazy. Too strong. Unless you give me a really nice signal bar here, then maybe. It doesn't have to be a nice signal bar. If this is like a nice signal bar and closes underneath the 20 EMA, I'll consider going short here. Otherwise, I'm staying away from this. As for a short, at least. Right? If we end up with a bad signal bar and the second entry short triggers, I'm looking for a trap trade, pandas. I'm looking for a trap trade. This bull move is so strong. It's incredibly strong. Like, I could be looking for a bull trend day today instead. Incredibly strong bull trend move right now. Almost unstoppable. I can't. This is crazy strong. Crazy strong move up. It's a full blown reversal off the opening, right? You got a bear trend, and then at the opening, you get an opening reversal. Just a nice move back up, all the way back up here. Top of the trading range on 10,000 tick chart. Right from the bottom back to the top. Actually creates an expanding pattern because of that. Super frustrating. 2,000 tick chart. It's just on tear with no entries whatsoever to participate in this up move, which is why I don't like the second entry short, or I don't like the 2,000 tick chart. No entries on this entire move up. Not that there are many entries on the 5-minute chart as well, but Al Brooks will probably find some way to go long here. This is going to be a really good signal bar. Otherwise, I'm looking for the trap trade. I don't think it's going to give me a nice signal bar here. Anything can happen, but this is like almost impossible to go short with this type of price action. It's so bullish. Strong bull bar ending near its high. You almost just want to buy long. You almost just want to buy at this point. Wowzers. What a bull bar. Like, you almost just want to buy. Anywhere, anything, anywhere at this point. I guess I would do a fail second entry short in this area. I guess. Fail second entry short is my plan now. I don't know. Second entry long on the 2000 tick chart now, very late in trend, but there is a second entry long here. I may take it. Give me a good signal bar. It's a good signal bar, 2000 tick chart, but it's an inside bar. And it doesn't quite touch the 20 MA. It doesn't quite get to the support that we need, unfortunately. I was looking for a fail second entry short here, but it looks like we're not going to get it. I would like a fail second entry short here to go long, but it looks like we're not going to get it, Panos. What am I talking about? I'm looking for this. A, B, C. Boom, boom. That's what I'm looking for. If we get that, I'm in. Thinking this is some sort of opening reversal, right? You got this breakdown and then straight up bull trend. Essentially, it's a V bottom as well. Super frustrating. It's a V bottom on the 5-minute chart, but it's a double bottom on the 10,000 tick. Right now, this looks like a V bottom, but on the Globex, you see that we basically retested the overnight lows, Globex lows, bounced off of it. Essentially, what happened. I know my setup here, so I shall wait. gonna get our setup. It's creating an inside bar currently. 2000 tick chart, it's getting choppy, but clearly above the 20 MA. It's getting very choppy, but it's clearly above the 20 MA. Actually triggers a trap here. Could be a decent move up. Could lead to a decent move up here. Fortunately, I want to set up on the 5-minute chart, and I might not get it. It's creating a triangle here, right? OI patterns are basically triangles on a smaller time frame, which is what we're seeing on 2000 tick chart. It's a triangle right now on 2000 tick. It's breaking out to the upside, it looks like. Yeah, OI pattern, break to the upside perhaps here. I don't know. Do I like this OI pattern here? Too confusing. I mean, it's such a strong bull move. You want to go long, in my opinion. It's such a strong bull move. You want to go long. I just want to go long off a failed second entry short. That'd be my setup, but I'm not sure if I'm going to get it. We might get it, a fail second entry short here. I think it's gonna happen now.
10,000 tick trap.
What a trick, right? That's an OI pattern breaking to the upside, and it fails to break to the upside, pandas. But I don't care, because I want to go back up. This is what I want now. I actually wanted this for a long time. Might be getting our setup here. It's feeling a little bit sketchy though. But I like the fact that we had a
10,000
OI
tick
pattern
trap.
breaks to the upside, fails, and then fails again, going and continuing with the original trend. It's giving me nice warm feelings inside, if you know what I mean. Get it. Let's get it. 26 seconds. Trap I've been looking for an entire day. Finally about to happen here. Hopefully we can finish this candle before it triggers. Almost want to do like always in long type trading here. Interesting. I'm surprised it's not by the close. I'm surprised it's not by the close. Or is it? It's pretty much by the close. I'm trying to time this perfectly here. Trying to time this perfectly. Oh! Oh! No! I missed it! Pandas! I missed the move! It was too quick! It was just too quick! No! Pandas! I've been waiting this whole time! It just blasted through my entry. It didn't even make a chance to get in. Oh, I've been waiting for this the entire day. No. Pandas. I've been waiting for the setup the entire day. I couldn't get in. I don't know. Maybe I can still get in here. I doubt it, but I'll keep it. See what happens. As long as the 1-to-1's not made, I still have an entry in my opinion. Looking for a 1-to-1. Darn, Pandas. I don't think I'm going to be able to get in. Just be patient. Just be patient. Be patient. The 1-to-1 essentially, that's your 1-to-1 way up here. Maybe I can get in before it touches that. Maybe. It's possible. I've seen it before. I missed the Pandas. It's gone. The boat's leaving. It was a jet ski. It was a speedboat, and it just flew by the pier, and I couldn't jump on. It didn't even take. It didn't give me a moment. It didn't give us a moment to even stop, so we can jump on the boat. Take Big Mama, like way up here. Big Mama's up here. Oh, maybe. It might be able to get in here. Oh, that's so unfortunate, Pandas. As long as I reach the 1-to-1, still potential here. Okay. Alright, I'm in. I'm in. This is why I enter with 5 micros, because it's such a big risk. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points of risk. So I'm trading basically half a mini. And yeah, I like this setup. I like this setup a lot. Just see what happens here. All right, let's just play this out. Let's just let this play out, pandas. Let's see if we get the 1-to-1 at least. All right, that's what we're looking for. It's just an opening reversal. It could turn to a bull trend day today. I mean, it's strong bull bars with some continuation, follow through, trap trade here, inside bar failing right to the upside, then failing to the downside, then coming back up to the original, right, original direction of the trend, or direction of the original trend, which is all good news for me to go long here. You're thinking at least to fill the gap. That's what we're gonna try to do before anything else, I think. But who knows? Who knows, pandas? You're thinking at least this magnet, right? The previous day's close. That's what you're thinking. I think at least. All right. Surprisingly comes back to at least fill me. Let me come back in. It's always in long right now. Right? Buy the close, always in long. Which is good news for me. Shows how strong the bulls are. How eager the bulls are to go long here. choppy though. It's slow. Creating another inside bar here. I would love if it's buy the close. Buy the close, please. Buy the close, no looking back. Break the upside of the inside bar here. It'd be beautiful. Beautiful. All right, getting a nice little pop up from the inside bar. Not getting much more than that. Reversing quite violently here. Yikes. That's not good. I think we're still safe as long as we're above the 20 MA. I'm happy here. My max loss is what? What is 7 points? 7 points on the mini is 350. Divide that by 2, which is 175. I'm risking $175 on this trade because I'm trading half the size of a mini with 5 micros.
10,000 tick trap.
I could come out break even here if I really don't like it at this point. I still like it though. I don't mind it. It's so close to a magnet. I feel like it might want to touch the magnet here. Like I don't want to be shaken out here. I don't want to be shaken out. Everyone switch to Apex. Pandas, we already know they are late to the party, pandas. Their smooth brains might finally start becoming wrinkly. They might be evolving finally. We got a fail second entry long setting up on the 5-minute or 2,000 tick chart, which is scaring me. It's actually kind of scaring me, the fail second entry long on the 2,000 tick. Oh, give me the heebie-jeebies. They're late to the party, pandas. We already know. We already know. They are late to the party. By the way, BBM 80, 71% off, and 50% off resets, but no code is needed for the resets. Ooh, okay. That's what I'm looking for. Give me a nice other push up here. It's getting choppy though, right? We're getting outside bars here. We're starting to get big wicks, big tails, inside bars to outside bars. This is all things to make you consider that this might just be converting to a trading range. It's kind of a bit scary to hold long here. I'll probably want one more bar to finish here. Maybe end the stream around 11. Get one more bar to finish, see what happens. If you haven't joined the Discord already, please join the Discord. We'll continue trading after conversations afterwards. Place where you guys can connect. And I also post some information there, like my trades that I'm about to take, and yeah, things like news, just all information that I think is important. I try not to waste your time with information. If I put information out there, that means I feel like it's worth putting out there for you to know. Always, always, always. Outside bar here. Ooh, this could be converting trading range. Hopefully get one more pop up would be nice, but it's almost turning 50-50 here. Almost turning 50-50. GC work pretty slow. I think I have time to grab a bowl of sugar pops, watch it just explode the moment you leave your computer. Always in long, please. Still waiting for my buy the close always in longs happening. Nope, it's not there still. No always in long trading yet. We still got the failsafe entry long, perhaps on the 2000 tick. It's above the 20 EMA now, so I'm not as scared, but still annoying. Still annoying that it's lingering. To me, as long as we're above the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart, I'm happy. I can't really ask for more. And I think as long as that 20 EMA is protecting us, I'm okay here. We finally might get to the previous day's close here, which is the clear, obvious target right now. It might be so clear that it might not even get there. People might be front running it like crazy. I'm looking for a 1-to-1. I might be getting greedy with that. I might just skunk it at the previous day's close and just let the runner run. See what happens. I'm still waiting for a nice like pop up here. Don't you think this is gonna just like kind of blast to the upside? Like just give a little like jab.
10,000 tick
A little
trap.
Sharukin. Don't you feel the Sharukin coming? Sharukin! Come on! No! Maybe another inside bar here. It's getting very choppy. Trading range. Converting to a trading range now. Really hope that this bar was going to give us a good sign here, but this looks like it's just entering to a trading range. Super unfortunate. Again, as long as we're above the 20 MA, I'm happy, but of course I would like this to hurry up and fill. It's already been almost 15 minutes we've been in this trade. I entered in this candle, and it's been 3 candles since. It's about 15 minutes long. Each candle is 5 minutes long. The 2000 tick chart triggers a trap above the 20 MA, and it may fail the trap here, which would be nice. Be very nice. We're supposed to pop up here a little bit. 10,000 tick chart is just grinding upwards. Slow grind up, but overlapping bars now, so it looks like it's converting to trading range. Same with the 5-minute. Looks like it's converting to trading range. That might give me enough credence just to skunk this trade, move on, and wait for another one. Wait for another setup. It could just be getting too choppy here for me. Right? Too obviously turning to a trading range, in my opinion. Which is unfortunate because we're so close to, you know, filling this gap here. You're like, it feels like a waste that we exit before we fill this gap. That's what it feels like, at least a little bit here. But if you do want to leave your computers, it makes sense to do it now because it's getting choppy. It is getting choppy. It's getting slow and choppy. Overlapping bars, outside bars, inside bars. And the breakouts of the inside bars lead to more outside bars. It's just clear signs we're probably converting to a trading range. But yeah, that might give me more reason to come out break even here. I don't know. Unfortunate. I mean, you have a clear target at the previous day's close, which is a gap. Clear target. Vinoj Sagar says, how can Panda talk? This is the next step of evolution for the Panda. Straight to talking. What in the world? I don't know, Pandas. Hold up for one more bar. Ooh, it's starting to break down a little bit here. Again, as long as we're above the 20 MA on the 5-minute, I feel safe. but this could be bad. Strong bear. Ooh, pops right back up. Maybe always. Ooh, whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on here? Did we get news at 11? Was there news? What just happened? That was crazy, Panda. This movement is crazy right now. Whoa, that was crazy. It's still kind of crazy. I'm a little bit worried. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. I got stopped out. I got stopped out. I don't know how. That's crazy, Panda. I don't know what's going on. I'm stepping back. I'm taking a step back. This is crazy. Surprise bar. But like I mentioned, trading range, so I should have skunked it. Whoa, what's happening? This is crazy. Should I just go short? Maybe that's the move here. And trap trade up all the 20 MA, absolute trash. Can't even enter that. But strong bear bar. Wow. That came out of nowhere. It's a very strong move. I had no idea. There was no news today the news today already passed. It was not like this guy speaking was not planned to move the markets this much, but it is moving the markets, so what can you do? Yikes. That's crazy. I got stopped out and I even had slippage, right? I had a whole point of slippage. That's why I don't like the MES because of that. Slippage happens. It's way worse. Big move down. Big move back up. What is happening? This is nasty. This is disgusting. What is going on? Crazy. That's crazy. I was not ready for that, Pandas. I was not ready for that at all. You're thinking one more push down here. Thinking one more push down at least. Okay, trap trades. Like 5,000 traps in a row on the 2000 tick chart. You're thinking one more push down, strong push down. Break a trend, looking one more push down here. That's what you're thinking, at least in my opinion. That's what I'm thinking. Maybe we can get a nice move down here. Make a new low, that's what I'm thinking, hopefully. New low would be nice. New low makes sense. Starting to get a little choppy. Might lose this trade. If I lose this trade, I'm out. I'm done. I mean, this is my last trade of the day. Regardless what happens. You're looking for a new low here. In my opinion. Right? Retest of this low. Such a strong move down. If it doesn't make a new low, this day is just this day is shot. If it takes me out here, this day is shot. It's done. I cannot trade this day. It's just too confusing. Yeah, it's gonna take me out, huh? This wants to take me out. I can feel it. I feel it. It wants to take me out. Ah, this is so confusing, pandas. It makes a new low. That makes the most sense. Such a strong move down. You're looking for a new low. Instead, it doesn't. It doesn't make a new low here. It doesn't retest this. It just takes me out here. It is what it is. I'm out. All right, I'm done. Down 200 today. This crazy price action at the end. It got super choppy, super tricky. But I'll come out relatively unscathed here with negative 200. It is what it is, pandas. And I'll move on. But that is just super frustrating for me. That is very frustrating for me. Right? You're looking for a new low here. Doesn't even get that new low. Such a strong push down. Instead, it just pops right back up. It's very frustrating. It's just super frustrating. It's such a strong bear move. Came out of nowhere. And then no follow through whatsoever. Just comes right back. Bounces back up. Takes me out as well. It's just super frustrating. It is what it is. So I think that's enough sign for me to just walk away today and just concede. Just know when when the day is too hard for you and just move on to something else. So, pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Hope you guys are doing better than me. Negative 200 is not that bad at the end, but still unfortunate. I was up like 100 something, but the last couple of trades just kind of really got really tricky. So, but pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Hope you guys are trading well and trade safe, everyone. As always, happy trading. God bless. And I'll see you tomorrow. 9 o'clock pre-market show, 9:50 for the main stream. I hope to see you there. All that being said, as always, happy trading and God bless. Bye.